When an element covers many rows on an exploration or list, the reports will merge these cells as the defaults. Let's see how an exploration will look with merged cells. Here, actual budget and forecast covers many rows, so duplicates have been merged. There are other grouping options like repeat labels and label top cell. Let's see how an exploration will look with repeat labels. Here, the same elements are repeated in each cell where it applies. This layout would work well if you need to do a lookup like an XLOOKUP. Let's set this to the last option, label top cell. Label top cell looks similar to merged cells and keeps the grid format.